Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and I was just sent this really cool all-in-one shoe cleaner, deodorizer, and waterproofing set that would be a great gift for anybody that has some nice shoes because everything you need is included in this kit. Comes with a nice instruction guide, does come with some shoe deodorizer which smells really nice. I actually sprayed that in there earlier, really enjoyed that. The shoe cleaning amount here, it's a shoe foam cleaner that you actually can put on your shoes. And it actually foams up, kind of like almost like a shaving cream. And then you do have, of course, your two different styles of brush. You've got a soft bristle, and you've got a regular tougher bristle brush that allow you to get in all the nooks and crannies of your shoe to clean them. And then they even provide you with this nice microfiber rag that you can then buff everything off when you're all said and done, so that it looks really nice. So once you've deodorized and you've got your shoes all nice and clean, you've got this nice waterproofer that you can put on your pair of shoes. And you want to do this in a well-ventilated area. So simply apply that on there. When it's nice and dry, let it sit outside. It will dry for about 10 minutes. And then when that dries, you're going to go back and hit it again, let it sit for 30 minutes. And then your shoes will be prepped and ready to go for the winter weather.